Tiniyak ng mga pribadong sektor na may mga konkretong hakbang silang inilalatag upang maiwasan ang pagkaantala at mga isyong kinakaharap ng mga nakaraang malalaking proyekto ng gobyerno sa pagpapatupad ng PAC Silica Initiative. Nangangamba kasi ang ilan na baka maulit ang problema sa mga nakaraang infrastructure projects sa bansa, kabilang ang mga naantala na tinaguriang ghost projects kung saan naapektuhan ang pondo ng gobyerno at tiwala ng publiko. Ayon sa Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, kasalukuyan ng pinaplansya ang mga mekanismo upang matiyak na hindi na mauulit ang mga naging pagkukulang sa nakaraan.
We have also learned of the Calabarzon on how it was all built up. So all of those learnings are being applied now. We want to duplicate, but in a much more efficient and better way. It will be shameful if we repeat the same mistake as what we have seen in the past. So we have that opportunity now to be able to to augment what we have not done in the past.
Ipinaliwanag naman ni Bobby Alvarez ng Philippine Ease of Doing Business Foundation Incorporated na inaasahang mas magiging mabilis ang implementasyon ng proyekto dahil pribadong sektor ang mangunguna sa pagtatayo ng mga pasilidad.
The ones who will build the factories are private groups. This is not government. Pag private ho yung business, magsusweldo ka ng tao, kailangan may kitahin ka. Hindi ka magdi-delay ng intentional. Gagawin mo yan as soon as possible. Definitely, so if we reach an agreement and those agreements are final and there are no reasons for delay because the permits are not issued, rest assured, those companies will implement as soon as possible.
Buo umano ang suporta ng pribadong sektor sa PAC Silica. Ngunit iginit nila na kailangan pa rin ng sapat na safeguards upang matiyak na mapapakinabangan ito ng publiko at mapoprotektahan ang interes ng mga Pilipino.
The private sector and other associations supports PAC Silica, but we also need to put the safeguards that all of your concerns, from the people, the water, energy, trabaho namin na to be able to put all those safeguards to reassure the Philippine public that this is good for the country.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Ino Flores ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.